Hey guys, it's gonna be a little different type of video that I'm doing today than my normal eye health kind of video. Today I'm gonna be doing a more travel vlog kind of video where I'm gonna take you guys on a trip with me to California. Yes, California. And I'm just gonna show you what I packed and what is important to me, as in medications and what I believe is important to me as somebody with kidney transplant and glaucoma, because I believe this is important not only for me but for other people, because I know especially you guys with glaucoma, you would like to travel and know what kind of things you want to do and how do you store your eye drops if you're traveling domestically, because I'm traveling from Texas just to California, and I'm just going to show you some of my ways that I do that. You guys can see these are my refrigerated eye drops. This one is Repressa and the other one is going to be Letenopros. These are more refrigerated, and if you keep them refrigerated they last longer. However, if you do take them out of the fridge, they're gonna last about 30 days if you take them out too long. So it's important to keep them refrigerated and keep the caps closed. But once it's out of the fridge, make sure that you guys keep it about 30 days. And these are gonna be my other eye drops right here. We have Cosopt and the Brimonidine. The other name for Cosopt is gonna be Dorzolamide Timolo. And these are my kidney medications, also my other glaucoma medications. I also take immunosuppressants and my steroid medication as prednisone, as you can see. And this is just my medicine organizer that I keep for weekly, just to make sure everything is okay, that you guys know what is going on. Now that I pretty much showed you guys what kind of medications I have that are my eye drops and the medications that I'll be traveling with, such as my eye drops, my immunosuppressants, the next clip I'm gonna show you is just gonna be me in San Francisco, but I'm gonna show little clips here and there of me in the airport and probably me on the plane, just so you guys can come along and enjoy the ride. But also, I'm gonna let you know that this will be my first time vlogging, so just give me a break and let's take it easy. So enjoy the ride as you watch these next couple of clips. See you guys then. You guys can currently see I'm packed up. I have everything in here. I'm gonna show you. I have my tech bag. It's right there in the layer, top layer. If I pull that out, look, pull that out, you will see that I have my medicines just at the bottom of everything. If you can see, it may be too big to hold it back. That's all my medicines right there. I'm heading out in just a few minutes. Yeah guys, we're heading out in just a few minutes. About to head to Cali. It's about 6:40ish a.m. About to head out at 7. My flight leaves at 9:30. So I'm packed up, ready to go, and you guys will see me there. So hopefully you guys see me in those next video clips. I wanted to add this in just so you guys know that I'm leaving about right now. So see you guys then. This is me in the plane. Sorry I didn't get a video. I was camera shy, but I got the photo of me in the plane. Here's a $6 expensive coconut water to hydrate myself. Now it's gonna be some parking in San Francisco. It's different style parking compared to Dallas, just so you guys see. Just landed in San Francisco and we got right back into our Airbnb. I don't mean right back into it, but we just checked into our Airbnb. And you know, when you just get into your Airbnb, it's like literally the first time you don't even know what's going on. Like, think about that. And I'm with my cousins right there. You can see them. They're just in the background. One of them went into the room. So we're out here. We're about to see what is all about San Francisco. And you know, traveling about being chronically ill is a different story. And I'm gonna show you guys what it's like traveling chronically ill, because even with glaucoma, it's gonna be difficult seeing sometimes. But I also do have my cousins gonna be there for me, showing me around what it's like in San Francisco. So I know this clip skipped major parts in the airplane and even on the arrival, but I am here now. I got into the Airbnb, I checked in, everything's going smoothly. So hope you guys know that. And everything's pretty much smooth. Like, what can I say, man? I'm just chilling.